velsignes til. Amen på hjertet. We pray for blessings. We pray for peace. Comfort for family. Protection while we sleep. We pray for healing, for prosperity. We pray for your mighty hands to ease our suffering. All the while you hear a spoken need. Your love is way too much to give us lesser things. 'Cause what if your healing comes to raindrops? What if your healing comes of tears? What if 1,000 sleepless nights? So what it takes to know you're near? What if trials of this life are your mercies in disguise? We pray for wisdom, your voice to hear. We cry in anger when we cannot feel you near. We doubt your goodness, we doubt your love, as if every promise from your word is not enough. And all the while you hear his desperate plea. You long that we had faith to believe. 'Cause what if your blessings come to raindrops? What if your healing comes of tears? What if 1,000 sleepless nights? So what it takes to know your name? What if trials of this life are your mercies in disguise? When friends betrayed us, when darkness seems to win, we know this pain reminds his heart. 'Cause this is not our home. It's not our home. 'Cause what if your blessing comes through raindrops? What if your healing comes of tears? What if 1,000 sleepless nights? So what it takes to know you're near? What if my greatest disappointments, or the aching of this life, is a revealing of a greater thirst this world can't satisfy? What if trials of this life, the rain, the storms, the hottest night, are your mercies in disguise? Kanzata nalpal ng isang sa